Hey everybody, this is Luke Darnall back with another video. I hope everyone's still kicking ass. Sorry if I look groggy or if I just woke up, because I did just wake up and I should be groggy. I've been busier than hell. I'm a seasonal worker. Work is starting to pick up. The weather's getting much nicer, which means I get to work more, which I am grateful for. I like what I do, but it's just more to manage. And it becomes a bit more difficult to manage my peace ultimately and keep me at ease. So I wish the best for everyone out there doing their thing, grinding, taking care of themselves. But let's go ahead and get into it. So I have the Paisley Brown SB Dunk Lows in hand. I'll go ahead and give you guys a nice little side silhouette. I absolutely adore these shoes. The art design that wraps around this shoe, to me it's like Mexican or Spanish inspired. And it's very like warm, like a warm art style. Like it's not loud at all. It feels pretty damn nice. This swoosh is like an off-white in hand, so it hits nice and warm like, which that's right up my alley. When I got these, I had to immediately kind of put them on foot. They fit true to size. I just like the whole simplicity of the shoe. It's dope. I'm gonna be wearing these throughout the summer and throughout my life, man. I mean, I like the skater culture. I used to skateboard a lot. I've always kind of gravitated to it. So a shoe like this just kind of speaks to me. And it's not like, oh yeah, it's not like I'm getting super weird intimate, like I'm hearing a calling. No, it's just like I like the shoe. Yeah, the laces are white, like they're kind of loud, but it fits with this shoe. This is such a clean looking shoe, but it's also very artsy because of this simple. I mean, all they did was wrap this same art pattern around the shoe, but it works. It's so simple and it's so earthy, and I'm digging it. Then here's what the back tab looks like. If I can get to zoom. An hour later, thank you. So yeah, it's got like a nicer, stronger leather for sure, wherever that brown is. Excuse me. So pretty much, just on the tongue here, has a real durable feeling dark brown leather here, and then same for this tab. But like I said, I don't really have much else to say. The swoosh is like that tumble leather everyone talks about. That's what it appears so, at least. Like I said, I just really like it. It's a very minimalistic kind of shoe. Here's the inside of the tag, or the tongue rather, for authentication purposes. And then the tag as such. Then the insole, I'm not gonna take that out. I just merp. But yeah, it's a dope ass sneaker, man. These, I'm not sure why there isn't as much hype going around as there probably should be, because these are dope. I'm not a huge fan of like this nasty ass color pink, but it's on the outsole. Sorry. But it works with the shoe as well. I mean, because it's got like this pink part of the whole design. So it's a dope ass sneaker. It really is. Because even like this midsole is kind of like low key and off white. So it's just really chill. I love these. So I'm definitely going to throw these in my rotation. Because brown is already super in. I got these for a good price too. They haven't hit the States yet, but no doubt I'll be trying to pick up another pair just to flip so I can buy another pair of shoes in the future, or a piece of merch. You know how it is. But yeah, that's all I gotta say about those, they fit true to size. They're kind of like the pros, the low pro SBs, so like they have additional comfort and stuff. They're a little bit more built to last. I like that too. And you know, your typical skater laces where they're thicker, so they can, like, even though, I mean, if you skateboard, man, the laces go so quick if you're into flip tricks. Because mine always, at least like one or two would snap first day. But yeah, that's all I gotta say about these. It gets a total thumbs up in my book. But yeah, with all that said, I hope you guys are taking care of yourself. And yeah, if you haven't already, I really do appreciate it. Subscribe and thumbs up. Doing these outfit videos really take so much energy, and it's crazy. But it's fun in the making, but it really does take a lot of work and energy, and you got to set some time aside, because I don't want to force fits. That, I don't know, I want to have fun with it, but it's an energy source thing. Especially with, you know, if you grow up and you got more and more responsibilities like I'm finding. So, but yeah, here's the outfits segment of the video. I hope you guys enjoyed just this hands-on impressions. I absolutely love this shoe, and I'm so happy I got it in hands now for my keeping. But yeah, take care of yourselves and enjoy the video.